Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will solve exercise 2.1 of the lesson fractions and decimal. Question 1, solve. In that first one, 2 minus 3 by 5. So here 3 by 5 it is given in terms of fraction. So you have to subtract, but here it is given whole number. So first we have to write this one in terms of fraction, that is by 1. So to make the denominators equal, we have to take the LCM. The LCM of 5 and 1, it will give you 5. So now denominator is 1. We have to convert that into 5. So we have to multiply 1. How much the 5? So 1, 5 the 5. So numerator also we have to multiply it by 5. 5, 2s are 10. So here minus 5. How much the 5? So 5. 1s are 5. So numerator we have to multiply it by 1. 3 into 1 is 3. 10 minus 3. It will give you 7 by 5. 7 by 5 it is in improper fraction. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction, that is by division method. It is 5 1s are 5. When you are subtracting 7 minus 5, you will get 2. So we can write it as 1 2 by 5. 1 is a whole number, 2 is the numerator, and 5 is the denominator. Second, 4 plus 7 by 8. So again 4 is a whole number. We have to write that in terms of fraction. So it is 4 by 1 plus 7 by 8. So the LCM of 8 and 1 is 8 itself. So 1 it is given, we have to convert that into 8. So 1, how much the 8? So 1 8s are 8. The numerator also we have to multiply it by 8. 8 4s are 32 plus 8 1s are 8 into 1. 7 1s are 7. So when you are adding plus sign, 32 plus 7 it is 39 by 8. So 39 by 8, again it is in terms of improper fraction. Converting into mixed fraction, we have to divide 39 and 8. That is 8 4s are 32. 9 minus 2, it will give you 7. So when you are writing in terms of mixed fraction, we will get 4 7 by 8. Third question, 3 by 5 plus 2 by 7. Here both are in terms of fractions. So first we will take the LCM of the denominator number, that is 5 and 7. When you are dividing 5 1s are 5, we can't divide by 7. So 7 as it is we should write. Next 7 1s are 7. So when you are multiplying 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35. Here we have to change the denominator by 35. 5 how much are 35? 5 7s are. Numerator we have to multiply it by 7. 7 3s are 21 plus 7 how much are 35? 7 5s are. Numerator we have to multiply it by 5. 5 2s are 10. Now we have to add 21 plus 10. 31 by 35. 31 by 35, it is in terms of proper fraction. So no need to convert to mixed fraction. So 31 by 35 is the answer. Next, fourth question. 9 by 11 minus 4 by 15. We have to take the LCM of these two numbers, 11 and 15. When you are dividing 11 1s are 11 and 15 as it is. again by 15. 15 ones are 15. When you are multiplying 11 into 15, we will get 165. Now we have to change the denominator by 165. 11 has to replace it by 165. So we have to multiply. So 11, how much the 165? 11 15s are. So numerator also we have to multiply it by 15. 9 into 15, it will give you 135 minus 15. How much the 165? So when you are seeing here into 11. Numerator we have to multiply it by 11. 4 into 11 is 44. So here minus sign is there. So we have to subtract 135 minus 44. When you are subtracting, we will get 91 by 165. 91 by 165, it is in proper fraction. Why? Because denominator is greater than the numerator. So we can't convert this into mixed fraction. So it is the answer for question 4. Fifth question, 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Here total 3 fractions it is given. So first we have to take the LCM of 10, 5 and 2. So we will start dividing by 2. 2 5s are 10. By 2 we can't divide 5. So 5 as it is, and 2 1s are 2. Next by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5 and 1 as it is. So when you are multiplying 2 into 5, that is 10. So our new denominator is 10. 10, how much is the 10? So it is 10 ones are numerator. We have to multiply it by 1. 7 into 1 is 7. Plus 5, how much is the 10? 5 2s are 10, numerator into 2. 2 2s are 4. Plus 2, how much is the 10? 2 5s are into 5. 5 3s are 15. Now here we have to add all the numbers. 7 plus 4, that is 11. 11 plus 15 is 26 by 10. So if you are seeing 26 by 10, it is improper fraction. So we have to convert that into mixed fraction, that is by division method. 10 2s are 20. 26 minus 20, it will give you 6. So answer will be 2 6 by 10. Sixth question, 2 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 2. So both are given in terms of mixed fraction. So first we have to convert into improper fraction. First we will convert 2 2 by 3. So we can write it as 2 into 3 plus 2 by 3. That is whole number into denominator plus numerator. That is 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3. So next mixed fraction is 3 1 by 2. It is 3 into 2 plus 1 by 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. Now we have to replace this mixed fraction by this improper fraction. 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. So first we have to take the LCM of 3 and 2. By 3 when you are dividing, 3 1s are 3, 2 not possible. Again by 2, 2 1s are 2. When you are multiplying, 3 into 2 is 6. So our new denominator will be 6. Now we will see 3, how much is 6? 3 2s are 6. Numerator we have to multiply it by 2. 8 2s are 16 plus 2. How much is 6? 2 3s are into 3. 7 3s are 21. 16 plus 21, it will give you 37 by 6. So it is improper fraction. So we have to convert into mixed fraction by division method. 6 are 36. When you are subtracting, 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. So when you are writing in terms of mixed fraction, 6 1 by 6. Seventh question. 8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. First we have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. 17 by 2 minus 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 5, that is 29. 29 by 8. Now we have to take the LCM of number 2 and 8. 2 and 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. Now by 4, 4 1s are 4. 2 into 4, 4 2s are 8. So our new denominator will be 8. 2 how much are 8? 2 4s are 8. Numerator we have to multiply it by 4. 17 into 4, it will give you 68 minus 8 1s are 8 into 1. 29 1s are 29. So here minus it is there, so we have to subtract. 68 minus 29, it will give you 39 by 8. So it is improper fraction. So we have to divide and we have to convert into mixed fraction. 8 4s are 32. When you are subtracting 9 minus 2, it will give you 7. So answer will be 4 7 by 8.